The Beginner's Guide to Healthy Eating. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey that will revolutionize your lifestyle and nourish your body from within? In a world filled with processed foods and quick fixes, the concept of healthy eating offers a refreshing approach, one that encompasses not only what we eat, but also how we nourish our bodies. So if you're seeking a path to optimal well-being, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this and get ready to explore the essential beginner's guide to healthy eating. It's time to take charge of your health, one bite at a time. The concept of healthy eating extends beyond mere dietary choices. It also encompasses a mindful and intentional approach to nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods that provide essential nutrients. Healthy eating involves consuming a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, while minimizing the intake of processed and sugary foods. The significance of healthy eating cannot be overstated in terms of overall well-being. A nutritious diet forms the foundation for optimal physical and mental health, providing the necessary energy, vitamins, and minerals for proper functioning. Embracing a healthy eating lifestyle offers benefits such as increased energy levels, improved digestion, enhanced immune function, better weight management, reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, improved mood, and overall longevity. Healthy eating doesn't involve strict diets or deprivation, but rather focuses on sustainable and enjoyable approaches to nourishing our bodies. By adopting healthy eating habits, individuals can unlock their full potential and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life. Understanding macronutrients. Macronutrients, which include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are essential components of our diet, playing vital roles in supporting overall health. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for our body and can be found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Proteins are crucial for tissue growth, repair, and maintenance, as well as the production of enzymes and hormones. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Fats are important for energy storage, insulation, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Healthy fat sources include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, and natural nut butters. The recommended daily intake of macronutrients varies based on factors such as age, sex, activity level, and health goals. In general, it is recommended that carbohydrates make up 45 to 65% of total daily calories, proteins 10 to 35%, and fats 20 to 35%. By incorporating a variety of healthy food sources from each macronutrient group into our diet, we ensure a well-rounded and balanced nutritional intake supporting optimal health and vitality. Building a balanced plate. A balanced plate represents a well-rounded and nutritious meal that incorporates all essential food groups in appropriate proportions. It ensures that the body receives a variety of nutrients for optimal health and well-being. To create a balanced plate, divide it into sections and fill each section with specific food groups. Aim to have half your plate filled with colorful vegetables and fruits, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Reserve 1/4 of your plate for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread, which offer sustained energy and dietary fiber. The remaining 1/4 should be dedicated to lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes, which assist in building and repairing tissues. Additionally, include a small portion of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, or olive oil to support various bodily functions. When determining portion sizes, a general guideline is to visualize a deck of cards for proteins, a tennis ball for fruits, a computer mouse for grains, and your fist for vegetables. Adjust portion sizes based on individual needs and activity levels. Creating balanced meals involves considering the combination of flavors, textures, and colors. Experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to add variety and enhance taste. Incorporate a mix of different food groups in each meal to ensure a well-rounded nutritional profile. Finally, pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. By building a balanced plate, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, healthy eating is not about restriction or deprivation, but rather about nourishing your body and enjoying the process of eating. Incorporating whole foods. Whole foods refer to unprocessed or minimally processed foods that closely resemble their natural state. They contain essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, offering numerous health benefits. Whole foods can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, support healthy digestion, aid in weight management, and enhance overall vitality. To ensure optimal nutrition, it's crucial to include a variety of whole foods in your daily meals. Fruits and vegetables not only provide a range of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but also add vibrant colors and flavors to your dishes. Incorporating whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats offers complex carbohydrates and fiber, providing sustained energy levels. Legumes such as lentils and beans are excellent plant-based sources of protein, fiber, and minerals. When selecting whole foods, prioritize fresh and seasonal produce. If possible, choose organic options to minimize exposure to pesticides. When preparing whole foods, opt for cooking methods like steaming or roasting that retain their nutritional value, while also experimenting with herbs, spices, and healthy cooking oils to enhance their taste. By incorporating whole foods into your meals, you nourish your body with nutrient-dense ingredients that promote overall health and well-being. Embrace the abundance of whole foods available and enjoy the vibrant flavors and benefits they bring to your culinary experience. Smart snacking. Smart snacking plays a vital role in maintaining energy levels, preventing overeating, and supporting a healthy eating routine. By choosing nutritious snacks, you can fuel your body between meals and resist the temptation of unhealthy options. Healthy snacks not only satisfy your cravings, but also provide nourishment. Opt for snack options that offer a balance of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. For instance, pair fresh fruit with Greek yogurt or enjoy a handful of mixed nuts. Sliced vegetables with hummus or whole grain crackers with natural nut butter are also great choices, providing sustained energy and essential nutrients. To avoid processed and unhealthy snacks, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients. Opt for whole, minimally processed foods and read labels to select snacks with limited added sugars, artificial additives, and unhealthy fats. Additionally, consider preparing homemade snacks using nutritious ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Another helpful tip is to plan and prepare snacks in advance. By having healthy options readily available, you reduce the likelihood of reaching for convenient but unhealthy choices. Portioning snacks into individual containers or bags promotes portion control and prevents mindless eating. Incorporating smart snacking into your daily routine not only supports energy levels but also contributes to a balanced and nutritious diet. By making intentional choices and being mindful of ingredients, you can satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. Hydration and beverage choices. Maintaining proper hydration is essential for overall health and well-being. Adequate hydration supports various bodily functions including digestion, circulation, temperature regulation, and nutrient absorption. It also promotes healthy skin, aids in detoxification, and helps sustain energy levels throughout the day. While the recommended daily water intake varies on factors like age, sex, activity level, and climate, a general guideline is to aim for around 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day. However, individual needs may differ and additional fluids may be necessary during physical activity or in hot weather. Although water is the optimal choice for hydration, there are other healthy beverage options to consider. Herbal teas like chamomile and peppermint can provide hydration along with potential additional health benefits. Freshly squeezed juices without added sugars offer hydration as well as vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. When it comes to beverage choices, it's important to be mindful and limit the intake of sugary drinks, soda, and excessive amounts of caffeine. These beverages can lead to dehydration and have negative impacts on health. Opting for healthier alternatives helps maintain proper hydration and supports a nutritious eating plan. By prioritizing hydration and making conscious choices about beverage consumption, you can ensure that you're properly nourishing your body and supporting overall health and well-being. Mindful eating practices. Mindful eating is a practice that involves being fully present during meals, paying attention to the sensory experience of eating, and cultivating a non-judgmental attitude toward food. By adopting mindful eating practices, you can improve your relationship with food, enhance digestion, and make healthier choices. One of the key benefits of mindful eating is the ability to fully savor and enjoy your meals. By eating slowly and being fully present, you can appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of the food, resulting in a more satisfying and pleasurable eating experience. To practice mindful eating, it's important to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Pay attention to the physical sensations and eat until you feel comfortably satisfied rather than eating out of habit or external cues. This helps prevent overeating and promotes a balanced approach to food. Minimizing distractions during meals is another crucial aspect of mindful eating. Avoid eating while watching TV, working on the computer, or scrolling through your phone. Instead, create a calm and focused environment that allows you to fully engage with your meal. By incorporating mindful eating practices into your daily routine, you can develop a healthier relationship with food, improve digestion, and make more conscious food choices that align with your body's needs. Embrace the opportunity to savor each bite and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the nourishment food provides. Meal planning and preparation. Meal planning and preparation are essential for a successful and sustainable healthy eating journey. They offer numerous advantages including time saving, stress reduction, promotion of nutritious choices, and support for portion control. One practical tip for successful meal planning is to create a weekly or monthly plan. Decide on the meals and snacks you will consume in advance to ensure a well-balanced diet, incorporate a variety of nutrients, and avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Additionally, creating a grocery list based on your meal plan helps you shop efficiently and avoid unnecessary purchases. Prepping ingredients in advance is another valuable strategy. This includes washing and cutting fruits and vegetables, marinating proteins, and cooking staple items like grains and legumes. Prepped ingredients can be stored in the refrigerator or freezer, allowing for quicker meal assembly during busy days. Batch cooking is a time-saving technique where you cook larger quantities of meals and store them for future consumption. This ensures that you always have healthy options readily available and reduces the need for last-minute takeout or unhealthy convenience foods. Additionally, practicing portion control by dividing meals into appropriate serving sizes helps maintain a balanced diet and prevents overeating. By incorporating meal planning, preparation, batch cooking, and portion control into your routine, you can set yourself up for success on your healthy eating journey. These practices empower you to make mindful choices, save time and effort, and maintain consistency in nourishing your body with wholesome meals. Approach healthy eating as a gradual and sustainable change rather than a quick fix. Start by making small adjustments to your meals and gradually incorporate more nutritious choices. Avoid restrictive diets or extreme approaches as they are often difficult to maintain in the long run. Instead, aim for balance, variety, and moderation. By being patient, persistent, and flexible, you can overcome challenges and make sustainable changes to your eating habits. You can also check out the Ultimate Guide to Weight Loss to help you further on your journey. Remember that it's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate your successes along the way and embrace the journey toward a healthier lifestyle, one bite at a time. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to create a healthier lifestyle. And I'll see you in the next video.